Let's talk about our parking options so you can figure out what works best for you. First, we have our 12 by 40 parking spaces. These are a great fit for RVs and trailers that are 39 feet or smaller. They also work well for trucks, cars, and even semi-trucks. If you need something simple and reliable, this size usually does the trick. Next up is our 12 by 45 spaces. These are ideal for RVs or trailers that are 45 feet or less. A lot of customers also use this size if they have multiple vehicles or even a boat they need to park. It gives you that extra length without jumping to the largest size. And then we have our 12 by 50 spaces. These are perfect for RVs and trailers up to 49 feet. If you've got a large rig, a container, or more than one vehicle, this option gives you the room you need, so you're not squeezing into a tight spot. No matter which size you choose, you'll have peace of mind. Our property is fully fenced and gated, and we have 24-hour security cameras monitoring the facility. We also offer access to a free dump station, which makes things even more convenient for RV owners. If you're ready to reserve your space, you can do it online anytime at www.arcostorage.com. Or you can get in touch with your local Arco storage facility, and our team will help you find the right fit.